Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very interesting tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful crochet braid that is so easy to do without cornrow. You can do it at home. Since we are all staying at home now, you can just quickly do this, and it's so simple to do. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this hairstyle. Like seriously, the crochet hair I use, I know the color is quite bright for me, but you know, sometimes you need to just try different things. The good thing about it, I bought this crochet hair from Amazon, and in the pack it comes like in the box it comes like 5 packs. But I just used 2 because when I bring one out, I split it into 2 equal half and then I crochet it. I just used 2. So whenever I want, I'll still use the remaining 2 packs, or after that I'll have 1 more pack left. You know, like, you can never go wrong with that. Seriously, I absolutely love the hair. So beautiful, super bright and fun. And you know, since we've been staying at home, you know, a lot of people don't know how to do their hair. At least I got a request from one of you guys to do like a stay-at-home hair, and you don't even have to cornrow to do this hairstyle, and I absolutely love it. And that's what it's gonna be. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by moisturizing my hair. And then I'm gonna gently detangle my hair. When you came to me, you were wanna make me believe that life could be better, that we could get back together. Come sit down. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into 2 parts. Then I'm going to secure the part at the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 3. The hair in front, I'm going to section it into 3 parts. So after that, I'm going to spray a little bit of water. I'm just trying to lay my edges, so I'm going to use my jam and apply it on my edges, brush it, and then I'm going to secure each bun. All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money now. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it. So after that, I'm just gonna put all the hair together with the one at the back and then secure them very well. Then now I'm going to take a bobby pin to just secure the ones at the back, just to make sure that they are very well in place. So this is what it looks like. So this is the crochet braid I'll be using. I bought this from Amazon, but I'm just gonna use 2 packs for this tutorial. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to take a strand and I'm going to section it into 2 equal half. If you don't want to section yours, that's fine, but I'm going to go ahead and section mine into 2 equal half. And then I'm going to start crocheting from the back.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down, celebrate this love, baby. What are we found? We know this is real. Everybody's looking at me. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me now. My family. We about to go up. We about to go one. They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. So come by. They know you and me. So baby, won't you play? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I'm found.
So you guys can see right here, I'm done with the crochet. I'm just trying to fluff the hair out.
Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place.
Then I'll tie a scarf on it.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to
Yes
being
guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that